welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you how to use Capcut, one of the coolest feature, which is the Zoom Pro special effect. Let's get started. First of all, go to Capcut and click on the new project and go to photos and click on the pictures that you would like to choose and click add. So these are the pictures that I would like to use for this effect. Once done, click on one of the pictures, scroll to the left, click on the star, and scroll to the left. Can you see this 3D Zoom Pro? Okay, click on that, wait for a sec, and you will be able to see this. Isn't it cool? Okay, same goes to the second picture, click on that, the third picture, and the fourth picture. And now you can see when I play. Isn't it cool? There's a 3D effect. On top of that, you can also add in some visual effects. Let's say for example, this one, I go to effects, here, effects, click on that, video effects, choose any effects that you prefer. I go to mood, select one of those, meteor, and play. Isn't it cool? Let's look at the final outcome. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like and subscribe my channel. See you guys next. Hope you like it. Bye bye.